You got a new Scooby-Doo DVD?
Yeah, Pirate Scooby-Doo movie.
Oh, wow, that's nice. He knows you like Scooby-Doo.
Yeah. He knows.
You got a lot of stuff.
I was good.
You must have been a good boy.
Now I can open this one.
Sure, what's that one say?
It's from Andrew S.
It's for Andrew S.
Look,
It says, Love Santa.
no Santa. I'm gonna open.
Go ahead.
I got a new SpongeBob movie. This is like at Mom's house.
Mom has that one?
Yeah.
Tales from the Deep?
You tell from the deep.
Well, maybe he knows you need it here.
Yeah, I know it. I know. Now I can open this one.
Sure, if you want. What is it?
I got a new SpongeBob
Is it a,
clock.
oh, an alarm clock?
Alarm clock.
Push the button on the top.
It lights up.
Wow, this way you can tell the time.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. You can put that by your bed.
It's not going off.
It'll go off by itself.
Going off by itself.
You certainly keep everything nice and neat.
Now I can open this one.
Yeah, that looks like the last one, though.
It looks like Lego. I got new Legos.
The new Lego set?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow, a new Lego set with food?
A Lego set for food.
Oh, that one's going to be easy. We can put that together. Look, 2 to 5 years old.
2 to 5 years old.
Yep. You asked for a new Lego set, right?
There's no more presents.
Think that's it. What about what's in your stocking?
Okay.
Did he put stuff in your stocking?
Yep. Look.
Let's see. Take it out.
Gum.
Gum? What else?
A ring pop.
A ring pop.
More gum.
More gum? Oh boy, I guess he knows you like gum.
And let me open this one. I think this is another ring pop. Look at another ring pop. It's another ring pop.
Oh, you got a ring pop?
Another ring pop.
Okay. Chapstick?
Yeah.
Oh boy, you got chapstick?
Yeah. I got chopstick. And I got in here is...
What's in there?
I don't know. Let me look.
That looks like candy.
It is candy. Look at the candy. You want to see the candy?
Oh, that's a bottle pop candy.
Yeah, the bubble pop candy.
Oh boy, you got a lot of candy.
Look.
Oh, Santa knows you like candy.
And there. Let me look what's in here.
What's that?
That's. Let me look.
Oh, gumball machine.
Gumball machine. Gumball machine. the gumball machine.
Is there anything else?
Yep. Let me look what's in here. Let me look.
Let's see.
You can open it, Dad.
It's hard to open.
Tigger. I like Tigger. I like Tigger, Dad.
Yeah. Here you go.
What is it?
It's more candy. It's a push pop.
A push pop?
Yeah.
The push pop. Push pop.
It's a push pop.
The push. It's a push pop. It's a push pop. Let's see what's. Money?
He left you some money too?
No.
No? It was in your stocking, right?
Yeah. Nothing else is in here. Just that stuff.
Wow. You got a lot of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
What do you say to Santa Claus?
Thank you.
Yeah, that's right. Santa Claus is